Good morning, Kausar. She woke up and she joined us. Anyway, now we are getting bigger and bigger, and Kashif is somewhere walking. And we have a question for the group, came from Kausar, that what have you ever regretted in your life and what have you done about it? So here we have Muntazir to share something with us, because I definitely have something I regretted.
Yeah, there is something which I regretted, but I don't remember right now. But life is all about regretting and accepting the things, and there would be obviously things which I have regretted. Can't remember right now.
Okay, that means only learning left behind.
Yeah.
That's great, Nabil. What did you regret in your life and what did you do about it?
I don't remember.
You don't remember either. That's great learning. So, Kausar, we are not having such a good luck about regretting here.
I regret falling in love.
Oh, regret falling in love. Okay,
yes.
So what did you learn from that?
That sometimes people are more controlling than you are. Sometimes people have insecurity issues that they place on you and they mask it by different things. Like, they want to humiliate you because they themselves are being humiliated, but they put a twist on it, like twist a lemon over it, and just make it something even more worse than it already is. Until the time they get to notice it, they realize, they're like, oh, what did I do? So I regret falling in love. It was the worst mistake of my life.
Okay, so may I just say a few words to regret? And basically, when you start regretting something, that takes a lot of negative energy out of you. So basically, start remembering that anytime you did anything in your life, you did it with the best of your ability and the resources and your heart and your mind and whatever you had. So very, very quickly, just forgive yourself and move on and do better next time. Just do differently.
I don't want to next time.
Well, that's okay. Well, it's the don't want to or want to. Basically, it's up to you. It's your decision what you do. However, if you want to move on to life and have peace of mind, that's what you do. Get over your regret stuff by forgiving yourself, forgiving others, and do differently next time. You could not do any other different at that time what you did. So that was Dr. Zhu for you guys on Walk the Talk with this lovely group and on this beautiful day. Look at this. We're sending you all our love from the beach. Listen to this.